What's up, everyone? Good afternoon. Hello. This is Absalone Code, the place where I code and I study for myself, like an out in a in a CS50 course. So let me introduce my channel, please. I use the Pomodoro technique, but I only use this technique once. What did I mean? Like, if you can watch the if you can watch the the corner, the left corner. Let me show you like this. Start. Yeah, this is Pomodoro technique. I am only going to code for 1 hour. So that's it. And today is third. It's November the 3rd. So this is it. So what do we have to do right now? We have to study, of course. We have to complete the week 6. Week 6. So I'm gonna do project. I'm gonna do project window. Uh, yeah, window. I love the movie. I like this piece of uh, piano in the sea by Kensuke Ushio. I love it too much. So I'm gonna to play it in this session. And then, yeah, let me. Okay. Uh, I have to looking for. I have to look for. Uh, I have to look for CS50 page. CS50 page. CS50 Python programming. Yeah, and then CS50 introduction to Python programming. CS50. Yeah, this is CS50 introduction to Python programming. I'm gonna to click on menu. Week 6. Yeah. List open with sorted dict CSV. Yeah, have to I have to complete. I have to submit the last homework. This homework is about CS50 P-shirt. CS50 P-shirt is an image that I have to overlay in another image. I have to paste it. So the thing that I'm gonna to do is to I already read this. So I think I'm not understand what do I have to do, but I also think that uh, I have to read or I have to watch one more time the last video about pillow, because pillow library is kind of puzzle for me.
Here a file, an image called
So we're gonna to watch this pillow.
.jpeg, and this is The Great Wave of Kanagawa by the artist Hokusai. Now, if you're familiar with this image, it should not be upside down like this, and I really want to flip it over so I can see exactly what this image holds. Well, thankfully, I can use something like Python with the pillow library to do just that, to manipulate this image and rotate it so it's going to be right side up instead. So let's go ahead and write a program to do just that. I will type down my terminal, code image.py. And here, I want to give myself likely a main function to write my program in, and I'll call main down below. Now, if I want to use the pillow library for manipulating images in Python, I can access it by doing import pil. Now, really, I want access to some particular class inside of this pillow library, one called image. More on classes in a future week on object-oriented programming, but for now, think of a class as a bit like a template, some way of representing information, in this case, an image. So I could access some class that Pillow provides me by typing from pil import image, capital I. So the Pillow library gives me access to something called an image that I can use to represent and manipulate images that I might have on my own file system on my computer. So using this image class, I can actually go ahead and try to open up an image. And I can do so using a method of the image class, one called open. I can access it using image.open, and I'll give as input to open, in this case, the name of the file I'm hoping to open now in Python. Very similar in spirit to me clicking on this file on the left-hand side in .jpg and seeing what's inside of it. Open goes ahead and opens that image for use within my Python program here. Now, open, this method here, returns to me an image object, so I'll go ahead and use this img variable to refer to my image that I have now opened using the Pillow library. And similar to other files we open in Python, it's good practice to close them when we're done with them. So as a test here, I've opened up my image, but I should now close it. So I'll type img.close. This method goes ahead and closes my image after I have opened it. Now, while we're here, we might have seen before that it's maybe not best practice to get in the habit of defining explicitly when we're going to open and close our images, in part because we'll often forget to close things later on. So why don't I do this instead? I'll go ahead and use with image.open as img, and as long as I'm indented within this with block, I'm now able, in this case, to see my image being opened, and I can run all kinds of functions on it as well. So as long as we're indented, we have access to this variable called img, which is, in this case, the image I've opened called in.jpg. So what could we do with it? Well, one thing we could do is get a sense for the size and the format of this image, thanks to various attributes of this image object. So I could, for instance, try printing img.size. And this actually gives me access to the size of the image in pixels. I could also print img.format, and this, for me, will show me the format of the image, like what file type it is, if I'm not sure initially. So I'll go ahead and run Python of image.py, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll see some information down below. So it seems like this image in .jpg, its size is 1052 by 720, so maybe 1052 pixels across and 720 pixels up or vertical. And this image's format seems to be a JPEG, which makes sense because it has the .jpg file extension here. So we can get access to various properties of this image, but we can also manipulate it using Pillow as well. One thing we could do is very simply rotate it. So here, if we look back at our image in .jpg, we'll see it is upside down. So we maybe want to rotate it another 180 degrees to put it right side up. Well, in image.py, I can do just that. I could say something like img.rotate, and I'll add in the degrees I want to rotate this image, in this case 180 to put it back right side up. I'll then store this updated image in the img variable, and now if I want to, let's say, save this updated image, I can do so by calling img.save and giving some particular file name, like out.jpg, just like this. So to be clear, I'm opening in .jpg, rotating it thanks to Pillow with this rotate method, and then saving it, again, thanks to Pillow with this save method. I'll go ahead and run python of image.py, and we'll see nothing in the terminal, but you might have seen over here, I now have a file, out.jpg. I'll open it up, and we'll see this is that image, but now right side up. Well, what else can we do? One thing we could do is apply filters to images. Have a bit of fun here. We could rotate it, certainly to fix the image, but along the way, maybe apply a blur in the Pillow library filter. So, and I can actually .filter. I want to get the blurs. I'll now save this image. I will image using these. See, the updated.jpg is updates them for us. I can act python of image.py rotated how to save with Pillow. How to button access that by using image filter dot find edges, and now if I run python of image dot
today is a quiet night, really. Yeah, quiet night. I would like to read more. Just to this day, read. I would like to create a lecture club where you go in and read and listen read of this structure. So yes, I would like to create something like another club in order to read. I was thinking about it. In order to code, yes. The code. This is the code place, right? Yeah, this is the structure of my code. From build import image, from us import path. I think it's that. Yes. Okay, X extension 1, extension 2. This is RB. If not, extension 1 is 6 stations. This is exit. X now. Okay, and if not, extension 1 equals extension 2. Input, okay. Set file not found error. B1. Okay, just try to open and find error. That's it. I'm looking for a shared by. I'm gonna to do. this is everyone. The main. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to paste. Yes. Okay. So that's the program. It works well. Okay, the picture with image user image open. So size user image. This is the variable size user image size. Shared is equal to image OPS fit. So image OPS fit. Image OPS. Okay, image OPS fit. Shared is size user messy. And then we print the shared size in the shared format. Yeah, and the shared. We print shared size, shared format, is shared. User image paste. Okay, user shared. User image equals save. What the fuck, ¿de quién hablaba? Les gusta como pico, decía yo. What the fuck, ¿de quién hablaba? Hola. Les gusta como pico. Sí, señor vicefiestas. Sí. Señor Mr. Fiestas. save, and after no save user output. Yeah, user output. Okay, got it. So we're gonna to use before one that gpg and after sysrb. Okay, user image save. Okay, non-type object attribute saved. Okay, we have to print. We have the shared printed. Non size. No. Okay. Bill. Okay. Okay. Shoot. Save image. Okay. No. User image. Shared. Okay, shared user image paste. Okay. Okay. ¿Les gusta como pico? Ah, pues no parece.
Pi
Que ese dolor lumbar no te frene el movimiento de cadera en la siguiente canción. Apronax, alivio rápido de dolores fuertes hasta por 24 horas. La vida sigue, el dolor no.
Deja de guardar tu comida así. Lleva tus refractarios desde $1.59 comprando $2 en marcas participantes y llenando tu cartilla con 20 stickers.